Are you starting from scratch and aiming to make $10,000 per month from trading? Here is a step-by-step guide on how I would do it if I had to restart from zero. This is the exact blueprint that I have used to make a major comeback after I lost my funding due to my Forex fund shutdown. So the first step would be to start small. You're gonna go ahead and invest $25 into a 5K prop firm challenge. Your goal is to pass the challenge. After you pass the challenge, you want to secure your first payout. Aim for a modest payout of nothing more than 2 to 3%. The result of that will be making $100 plus the refund of your initial investment, of course. So at this point, you are risk-free. But now it's time to reinvest the profits and to really scale up. So step 2 is you're gonna upgrade to a 10K challenge. You're gonna use a portion of your $100 earnings to buy a $10,000 challenge. So again, your goal is to pass that challenge and start trading on both funded accounts, the 5K account and the 10K account. Now, you're gonna aim for a payout from both accounts. The result of that will be approximately $300, $100 from your 5K account and $200 from the 10K account. And of course, again, you will get your refund for the 10K account. So step 3 will be to keep growing. You're gonna repeat the process and now upgrade for a 25K challenge. You're gonna reinvest a portion of your $300 earnings to buy a 25K challenge. You're gonna continue to pass and grow your funded accounts. And at that point, you will just repeat the process again and again by just like you did it with the 5K, to the 10K, 25K, and then eventually a 50K challenge, and then finally the 100K challenge. Of course, keep in mind, you will not maybe pass every challenge at the first try, so if you fail at any stage, go one stage back and try again. So once you are at the final stage and you pass a 100K challenge, and on top of that, you secure your payout, at that point, by now, your total funding should be around 200K. So now you have to choose whether to continue growing rapidly or stack payouts with your current funding. And the step 5 will be the final step actually. So now how do we actually get to the 10K per month? The final step is to achieve the 10K per month from your funded capital. So let's do the math in here. You have 200K in funding. If we calculate like this, with a firm offering weekly payouts and an average profit of 3% per payout, you could potentially earn about 22K in a month. If the cycle is bi-weekly, of course you're gonna cut that in half and you will expect around $11,000 per month. If you are a profitable trader and follow this plan diligently, achieving $10,000 per month should be possible within the next 3 months. Realistically. So key advice here is to choose reliable firms. You can also trade multiple firms like the 5K account on one firm, 10K account on one firm, but just choose reliable firms. It's crucial to pick reputable and established firms to ensure your efforts and investments are secure. Because you don't want to go through all of this and at the end of the day you don't get your payout and you passed all those challenges for nothing. And all your efforts and discipline and patience were for nothing. So just to clarify my own journey, I did not do this with a 5K challenge. I started my comeback with a 50K challenge. Why, you might be asking? Because of the fact I was comfortable with 100K accounts, it was significantly easier for me to pass a 50K challenge. Because previously I was already funded. and I had 6 figures in funding. But like I said in the beginning of the video, due to that shutdown, I lost all of it. So these are the payouts from the 50K account after my Forex fund shutdown. I got 5 weekly payouts consecutively, and this really fueled my comeback, guys. And after that, I bought 2 100K accounts with another firm and passed those at the very first try. So this was a really good foundation for my prop journey. Here you can see also that I had multiple consistent payouts, keeping them around 1 to 2% each payout cycle. So as you guys can see, I didn't over risk. I didn't try to go for a home run. I went for small but consistent and consecutive payouts. And this is the proof that you can also get to your goals while not chasing those big payouts and just being disciplined and patient and having a strict trading plan and following it diligently. And this is how you can flip $25 into $10,000 per month. And if you need guidance from verified traders, join the Funded Brothers free Discord community. I'll see you there.